Gear Seekers, I'm Nick. Since the Lian PC-O11 dynamic came out, we've had tons of requests from our patrons and our Discord community to build something with it. The only problem is, we don't have a contact at Lian to get our hands on one. That got me thinking, how could we get a case that's been requested so much and get it so we could build something on the channel with it? Well, the solution was use this month's Patreon pledges from our patrons and go out and buy one. So that's exactly what we did. Ladies and gentlemen, this build is proudly brought to you by our generous patrons. This build is pretty mismatched as far as parts are concerned, but that's kind of the point. We used what we had on hand to build something that I think is pretty special. So let's get building. Let's talk parts because I know you guys want to know. The motherboard is the MSI MEG Z390 Ace. This board is pretty fantastic and it's got that cool looking infinity mirror. We actually took a closer look at this a little while ago and you can check that out in the top right hand corner right now. The CPU we used is the Intel Core i9-9900K. The 9900K is an 8-core 16-thread beast and is hands down the best performing gaming CPU on the market. Full stop. The GPU we use is the MSI RTX 2060 Gaming Z. The reason why we use the RTX 2060 is because we had it on hand and we haven't used it in a build yet. We did a 3-generation shootout with the RTX 2060 versus the 1060 versus the 960. If you want to check that out, it's in the top right hand corner right now. It's not a bad GPU at all. The RAM we used is 16 gigs of Team Group T-Force Delta at 3200 MHz. This is one of the best looking and best value RGB RAM kits out right now. This is the first time we've used it on a build for the channel and it looks stunning. We've actually used it in other machines that don't feature on the channel, so that's probably why you haven't seen us use it on the channel yet. Now the power supply we use is the brand new Thermaltake Tough Power iRGB Plus 1000 watt gold. It's an 80 plus gold certified power supply. We've featured it quite a few times in some builds, but we've never really talked about it. But we have an in-depth look coming of it very, very soon as requested by our community. Lastly, the case. It's the Lian PC-O11 Dynamic. I've seen so many different builds in so many different configurations with this case since it came out, and to be honest, it just wasn't that interesting to me until I actually built in it. The build quality is fantastic and no amount of video or photos can do it justice. It's just really well constructed. There's not much more to say about it. It's easily in my top 5 for easiest cases to build in. The cable management is superb. I don't really like reviewing cases, but I have to say that this case exceeded my expectations, and considering as far as Lian Li cases go, this is on the cheaper side from like all of their other cases because they make expensive cases. That's the bottom line. Lian Li has always made some pretty outstanding cases, just kind of talking about that again because that's kind of what they do well. And it's been about like 10 years or so since I built in one of their cases and they still make really good cases. I think I'm going to build a custom loop in this case, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Special thanks to MSI Team Group Thermaltake Cooler Master, and last but not least, our very, very generous patrons for providing all of the important parts for this build. Without this amazing community, yes, that includes you, and without you guys believing in what we do, we sure as hell probably wouldn't still be doing this. If you guys are interested in any of the parts in the build, there are links down below in the description. Also, if you guys want any of the music that I make featured in our videos, yes, that's right, ladies and gentlemen, I make all the music. You can head on over to our Patreon to download all the music, because that's one of the perks. All right, guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, you know what to do, and tell us what you hated about it. Once again, thank you so very much for watching. I'm your boy Nick with Gear Seekers. You peek, we seek. And seriously, it's a nice case. I'm impressed. Yeah.